fellow traders. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a close look at the SuperTrend AI cluttering AA from MetaTrader 5. This one is straight from the MQ5 marketplace and is priced around 480 bucks while being positioned as an adaptive trend following system. The developer calls it a smart way to handle changing market conditions without constantly tweaking multipliers. Sounds interesting on paper, but let's break it down like we always do. Before we dive into today's EA, you can download the free Roblox Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Now, the core idea here, as we get back to the EA, is the classic super trend indicator, the one that uses ATR to create those volatility bands for spotting bullish and bearish phases. Lower factors give you tighter bands and quicker signals, while higher ones are slower but more selective. According to the developer, this EA solves that by calculating a whole range of super trend variations with different factor value. It tracks how each one has been performing recently, scores them based on alignment with price action, then runs K-means clustering to group them into weaker, average, and stronger performance cluster. Now they say it can be used on forex pairs, metals, indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and other symbols in MetaTrader 4 and is compatible with multiple time frames, from lower time frame to higher time frame. The EA picks the best clusters and calculates an adaptive factor from it. That adaptive super trend then drives the main trade logic, trading stops, and the on-chart display. As you can see the claim here. The entry logic can be set to standard super trend signal changes or straighter with AMA confirmation or even AMA only mode. As you can see here, the exits are flexible, opposite signal, trading, fixed or ATR based stops and takes, break even, partial closes, time based exit, you name it. The whole thing is built to adapt to different volatility, regimes, and market structures automatically. Now, there's a risk and money management claim here. However, it's best to be well informed and use your own risk and money management technique. Now, the features they highlight, that is the developer, highlights adaptive super trend selection via clustering, real-time performance tracking, performance index filter, the adaptive AMA for confirmation and exit, risk management looks solid, with built fixed lot, risk percent, balance space sizing, spread filter, ATR filter, time and session controls, maximum position, daily loss limit, and drawdown positions protection. There's also an optional lot progression after wins or loss, but with safety caps. Now let's go to my backtest results and see how this EA performs. Talking real results, I ran this on EURUSD on the M15 time frame from 2025 June 1st to 2026 June 1st. That is a period of a full year. with a 10k starting balance. Similar setup to what you see in typical test. Going over to the equity curve, you can see it's trending downwards with small uptrend followed by downtrend, and overall the general trend is bearish or downward. You can see recovery bounces here and there, with but still general direction is low, with periods of chops where it just grinds. Going over to the results for the backtest, we have a total net profit of $92 in negative, gross profit 425. That means it made $425 in its trades. As you can see on the charts where the arrows indicated its entry and exit, but made $570 approximately in its loss, which means we ended the trade with losses. The backtest with loss. The profit factor sits at 0.82, where we know below 1 means losses outweighs gains. If it's above 1, it means we had gains, but since it's below 1, we had losses. With a negative 0.74 recovery factor. Our win rate is right around 33%, with over 650 trades taken in total. That's 216 winners versus 438 losers, as you can see here. An okay results, not good, not bad, just there. The short and long trades taken are almost even, but neither side performs great. Thing is, this matches what often happens with super trend style systems in ranging or low volatility stretches. They take a lot of small losses, waiting for the big trend that doesn't always come through strong enough, as you can see on the chart. From the settings, key inputs that actually matters are things like the factor range for clustering, performance memory, performance index threshold, ATL filters, time sessions, and your lot sizing such risk rules. As you can see here, the dashboard and visuals help you see what is doing in real time, which is useful. Now our verdict on this EA is a legitimate adaptive super trend with some clever clustering to try and stay in sync with the market. The risk tools are there if you use them. Tools like daily limits, drawdown protection, that sort of thing. But like most trend followers, it shines in strong trending markets and can bleed in sideways action, as we see on the chart, which is most of the time on many pairs. What are its nuances? Expect slippage and spread impact in live trading, especially on lower time frame. News can cause whipsaws, and as always, optimization is required. Now, who is this EA for? It's for experienced traders who like trend system, would forward test properly, size positions conservatively, and monitor it. Great if you're on trending pairs or higher time frames and want something more adaptive than basic super trend. Now, who should avoid it? Beginners looking for high win rate magic, turning accounts without strict risk rules, or anyone expecting consistent profits on the USD M15 without work. In practice, this means solid concepts but still market dependent. You should test it yourself as I did thoroughly. Now, if you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA you want me to check next. And don't forget to grab that free robot. As I said in the beginning, there's tons of indicators and patterns, and the link is in the description below. It's a solid base for testing ideas. And as always, trade safe out there, and I'll see you in our next video.